Hello everyone, I am Harshita and today's topic is Introduction to Expenses. Now what expenses module help us to do? It helps us in expense management. And now what is expense management? It is a multi-step process that includes capturing and submitting expenses. It also involves submitting reimbursement claims, approving or denying those claims, scheduling the claims for payment and finally reimbursing the employee. Expense management not only track employee spending but also determine how the organization will reimburse the cost incurred. Like for an example, as simple as client lunch paid for by an outside sale manager needs to be documented, approved and reimbursed in the expense module. Now in this diagram, we can see what is the process flow. Like first we need to log expenses, then we need to submit the expenses for approval. After submitting it for approval, the expense will either get accepted or rejected. If gets accepted, the next step is report, and if it gets rejected, it need to start again from the first step. And what can be the reasons for rejection? It can be like it is not as per the company's policy. So this is how expense work. Then what are the key features and capability here? It helps company to automate a time consuming process and gain a better control over individual employees' expenditure and reduces error. It also provides reliable tracking and also helps us in faster reporting and better compliance with the company policy. Now, now let's go to the instance and see what is the navigation and what all information we can fill in the expenses. So moving to the expenses page in the instance, after logging to the instance now, go to navigator. Under navigator, there is me. Under me, there is expenses. Just go to there. Now, this is travel and expense page. From this page, you can create an expense report and submit for the approval. Then there is approvals. From here, you can approve or reject the expense report submitted by another person to you for the approval. Then there is cash advance. You can request for cash advance from this page. Then there is authorization. You can request authorization from this page. Then there is trip. You can book your travel from this page. And there is setting of also from this you can go to manage bank accounts, manage delegation, view cumulative mileage, create expense item in spreadsheet. And if you want, you can take a tour, product tour of this expense module. So these are all the fields which are available in the expense module. So in our upcoming session, we will go to these fields one by one and see how it works, how expense module actually work in the instance. So this is all for today. Thank you.